Hi, good day everyone. I'm CHRD from Crystal Spiders Institute. Today guys, we are going to see that how to restore a database backup file on the database. So here I have taken the backup of the database. This is the backup file, one of the database backup file. And I wanted to restore this database backup file on the existing database. So let's see that now. How can we restore the database? So let's connect it to the SQL server from SSMS component here. I open the SSMS component. I'm connecting to SQL server. So I'm going to connecting to cSpiders is SQL server and say connect. And I'm going to restore this backup file on one of the database. So here CSI_DBA 10 database. So this is the backup file, guys. CSI_DBA 10 database backup file. That is full backup file. I would like to restore this backup file on top of this database CSI_DBA 10. So how do we restore, guys? Let's see that. Right click on databases folder and say restore database. And click on device button and click on ellipse button and click add button. And now choose the backup file. Right now that backup file is there in the F drive. In the cSpiders folder and the backups folder, we have this backup file. Select that backup file here and say okay and say okay. So I'm going to restore the database. This is the on top of this database. I selected the target database, that is CSI_DBA 10, and go to the options. And here I'm going to override the existing database. I will say restore with the recovery. And we can I don't want to take a tile log backup, and I'm going to say close the existing connections to the database and say okay. Done, guys. So the database CSI_DBA 10 is restored successfully. So we restored this full backup. This is the full backup we have restored on top of CSI_DBA 10. Just a refresh here and you can check it out. This database is restored successfully, definitely. Okay, guys. So this is how we can restore the database. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Bye.